Today, we will talk about how to look younger for men. Let's have a look at the details. Looking younger is easy if you're willing to make some minor changes to your appearance and lifestyle. Start by choosing a more contemporary haircut and upgrading your wardrobe to fit with modern trends. If you're willing to make a commitment to looking younger, eating a healthy diet, working out regularly, and working on your posture so that you stand up straight. Changing your mindset and being spontaneous is a great way to stay young at heart and come off as younger than you actually are. The first method is changing your appearance. Choose a trendier hairstyle that suits your face. A new haircut is a great way to appear younger. If your hair is on the longer side, a side part coif or slick can be a great way to update your hair without looking like you're trying too hard. If your hair is shorter or you're partially balding, the high and tight is a strong, simple choice. Dye or trim your gray hair to keep your hair looking youthful. Update your wardrobe with some age-appropriate clothes. Go through your closet and identify any clothes that look dated. Donate them and update your wardrobe. Experiment with different styles. Practice good skincare. Taking care of your skin will keep it looking healthy and young for longer. Remember to wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Apply a moisturizer to your face after you wash it, which will make your skin look smoother and help prevent wrinkles. Trim your eyebrow, nose, and ear hair to get rid of unwanted hair. Get a teeth whitening treatment to keep your teeth bright and clean. A bright smile communicates youthfulness and confidence. Brush your teeth and floss every day to keep your teeth healthy and bright. Get sunspots removed by a medical professional. If you have any visible sunspots, consult a dermatologist to see if you can get them removed. Talk to your doctor about getting Botox or fillers. Botox injections are a great way to rejuvenate your skin and soften wrinkles or crow's feet. Fillers can be injected into your skin to raise it and create a softer overall appearance. Discuss these options with your doctor before contacting a rejuvenation clinic. The second method is making lifestyle changes. Work out regularly to stay healthy and look your best. Go to the gym at least 3 times a week and start a regular workout routine. Running and practicing yoga are great ways to exercise your body without risking injury from heavy weights or contact sports. Eat a healthy diet to stay fit and shed any excess weight. Ditch sugar and start drinking water instead of soda or sugary juices. Stick with lean meats and cut out fast food entirely. Eat a variety of vegetables and fruits every day to ensure that your body gets enough of the nutrients it needs. Get more sleep to stay alert and feel younger. Get at least 8 hours of sleep every night to stay refreshed and alert throughout your day. Stand and sit up straight to look lean and confident. Stand with your spine straight, chest out, and keep your core tight. This will make you look taller and more confident, which can make you seem younger. Limit your alcohol intake and quit smoking to avoid aging prematurely. Heavy alcohol consumption can accelerate the aging process. The nicotine in cigarettes can narrow the blood vessels in your skin, making your skin sag as you age. And the third method is staying young at heart. Expose yourself to new foods, experiences, and locations. It's easy to feel old if you do the same thing all the time. Exposing yourself to new things will open your worldview and expand your mind. Be spontaneous and say yes more often. Being impulsive and spontaneous is a great way to seem younger than you are. Forget about acting your age and enjoy yourself. Don't worry about the way people perceive you. Do what makes you happy and ignore stereotypes about old age to feel and act younger. Engage in activities you enjoyed when you were younger. If you used to play basketball but have given it up in recent years, find a court near you and shoot around every once in a while. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.